In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Roku Stick with and without a remote. Without further ado, let's get started. Resetting with the remote. First, make sure your Roku Stick is plugged into your TV. On your Roku remote, press the Home button and go to Settings. Select System, then Advanced System Settings, and choose Factory Reset. You will be asked to enter a code or confirm the reset. Once confirmed, your Roku will reset to its factory settings. Resetting without the remote. If you don't have the remote, use the Reset button on your Roku Stick. Look for a small reset button on the device itself, typically near the HDMI port. Press and hold the Reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Roku's indicator light flashes, signaling the reset. After the reset, your Roku will restart and restore factory settings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.